Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And there were a few to pick from, but I think this CLDX has to be it. Now, if you've been in the room before, you know that we talk about these bios and, especially shorting them on these pops in the pre-market. Now, typically these are cheaper stocks, okay, $5, $6 and under, that you get these pops in the pre-market and then they just fade. And a lot of times though, but look at this one, CLDX. Now, why would I even look at it? Because it's only phase 1B results. And that's a crazy pop on phase 1B results. It closed on Friday at 32, and in the pre-market it got up to $47. Now, Wainwright also chimed in, and I think they put a $50 price target on it. So I mean, that probably helped. But I looked at this and I said, it's just, phase 1B, and as it started to drift down, I ended up taking the short in the pre-market. I'd love to be able to say that I was still in the short, but I'm not in the short anymore. I got out probably an average of around 42. So I shorted around 45 and got out an average of about 42. But now it's just continuing to move down. So I'm only pointing this out because especially for the cheaper ones, I'm a little surprised that this one did this, but when you see these bios popping in the pre-market on, say, phase 1 or 2 results, it looks wonderful, but typically this is the type of thing that can happen. And in this particular case, even though it was a more expensive one, look at what it did. It had a high of about 47 in the pre-market, all the way down to 39 right now, and who knows where it's going. So this certainly caught my eye, and this is the stock of the day. So I'm going to shut this down. Any questions you may have for me, use this email address. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Bye-bye.